Hey everybody, Woodturner Kai here, and here's my entry to Pat Lap's 5-minute goblet challenge. Here we go. Too high. A little close to that pillar this type. Whoa, getting a little thin. Thinking I should have spent a little more time with the tool, but we're going to go to sanding. I got 220. Oh, I went a little thin on that. Please stay together. Please stay together. Please, no vibration. Should have put my dust mask on before this. Definitely not my most elegant turning video. But these guys are doing it so darn fast, I don't even know how they do it this fast. Should have spent more time with the tool. $320. Holy mackerel, way too high. Here we go, I did it. Little torn grain inside, not too bad. Fairly even wall thickness. And yes, it is a little small and the base a little thin, but it came off in one piece. Fastest I've ever turned. Thanks for tuning into this video. And thanks to Pat Lapp for putting out this challenge. It was a lot of fun. I'll put a link to his channel, Le Pic-Bois, aka The Woodpecker, down in the description below. So please go check him out and subscribe to him if you're not already. And if you haven't subscribed to me yet, please do. I'll have a new video out every Friday. So thank you very much and have yourself a great day. Oh, and I'll put a couple pictures up at the end. I don't know if it's anything to really look at though.